Good day, my friends. Today I will explain to you a brand new investment strategy, the backup RSI strategy. This strategy is a system that provides high return potential for investors who plan to invest in the long term and want their investments to increase in quantity as well. The main idea of the system is to keep the capital you have allocated for investment without selling it at any time, making additions when prices are at their most favorable. And it relies on realizing the profits we gain during periods when prices have risen significantly. Now, let's take an example. Using the gold ounce chart, we've opened the gold ounce chart and brought it to the screens. You can see the RSI chart down at the bottom of the screen. Right away. Here, our main idea is to be able to identify our buying points and the most suitable selling points. As you know, RSI or chart is momentum. It's a measuring chart. Here we can observe investor behaviors. Friends, if you see that the RSI chart has dropped below 30, we understand that the prices here are now extremely favorable. Similarly, when it rises above 70, we see that prices have reached a certain saturation point. So our system is built on this fundamental idea. Friends, as you can see from the chart, the RSI has dropped below 30. So these areas have created a buying point in this situation. Then we start making gradual purchases from these points. I will try to explain how to make gradual purchases in the upcoming videos. After making our purchases, we move on to waiting until the RSI chart rises above 70, where you can also see the prices. This is the point. It's time for us to realize our profits at this point. If we invested $1,000 in this instrument, if we assume that the prices have risen to $1,100, we make a sale of $100 here and wait for the prices to drop again. As you can see here, the prices have dropped like this and are approaching the 30 mark again. So then we start making gradual purchases again, and we reinvest the $100 we sold back into the system. So what have we done, friends? As you can see, we evaluated at a high price, and when the prices dropped, we added a much larger amount from the lower points to our system. We keep repeating this cycle. Look, our capital has now reached $1,100, and again, it's starting to rise. At the point where it goes above 70, we will make another sale. So we will have realized the profit we've made at these points. And this cycle, as you can see, will continue like this constantly. Yes, it's possible for us to achieve incredible gains thanks to this system. Of course, where will we apply this system? First of all, we need to apply this on high-volume instruments. The system works extremely well on these. So, investment instruments with high momentum open the door to new high profits. For us, friends, to put it briefly, this is a very valid system for commodities. If you can maintain this cycle, it will be possible for you to achieve significant gains. Similarly, you can apply this on stock markets, meaning you can implement it on individual stocks. You can apply it on ETFs, or the American stock market, the European stock market, for example, a system that works very well on the German stock exchange DAX. So, it's possible for you to achieve very significant high profits in any market that has momentum and volume. From now on, we will be making weekly comments in line with this system on our channel. We will talk about which instruments have reached the buying point and which instruments we need to realize profits on. This system is not suitable for daily trading. Friends, if you ask which chart we should follow, we are doing these transactions based on the daily chart in RSA without touching the normal settings, the settings in the current system. We can shape our investments. Thank you all very much for listening to me. See you in the next broadcast. Big profits